we're going to show you how we filled this whole trolley for a third of the price. So stick around if you want to see how we did it. Every time we do a shopping video, our comments can get quite contradictory. When we went to Pack and Save, the comment said we should go to Costco. When we went to Costco, the comment said we should go to Pack and Save. To be honest, we do most of our shopping at Woolworths, formerly known as Countdown. It is just way more convenient. It's the closest shop to us. And also, we are very familiar with the prices. So if we see a special, we know if it is actually a special or not. So let's go and do our weekly shop, and we're gonna take you with us. So the thing making our weekly grocery shop a bit more challenging than usual is because I started cutting the carbs out of my diet. And before you come at me, I've done this before years ago until I met Craig. Then he started taking me on all these fancy dates to nice restaurants, and the food was too good, so I stopped.
Blame on me.
So we're gonna do low carb grocery shopping. Craig isn't cutting the carbs though. As you walk in, it's fruit and veg. The avos have been on such a good special lately. It's 2 for $2.50, so we're definitely gonna get some of that.
Yeah, so this is ripe, and this is ripe in a day or two.
Yeah.
So I want to get a few of these. I like them.
So I'm following a diet called the Banting diet. They have a green, red and orange list. You can have anything off of the green list. So nachos, not on the green list. Strawberries, yes, for breakfast, $7.50. Broccoli and cauliflower is also on the green list, and you can have basically as much of it as you want. They're also on a really good special for the last few weeks. Wow, they are massive.
Cool. How's this guy?
We should try and make those cauliflower steaks.
Do you want this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. So leave the thingies on to protect it.
Yeah. I've been finding so many recipes on TikTok, and I found this stuffed pepper recipe. So I think we're going to do that. In New Zealand they call them capsicum.
Well, in South Africa too. We just used to use the word pepper.
No, but I'm saying like in everyday.
Oh, yeah.
We say pepper, red pepper. Yeah. And they are $2.
Well, you finished the wine, I don't know if
Okay.
you
200? How much?
no problem.
There's no price for the cucumber here, but it's normally like $2 something after winter. Before, in winter, it was a lot more expensive. I also really love mushrooms, and I have a lot of that throughout the week, so I buy the loose ones. Wow, some of these are so big. A bag of mushrooms normally comes to like between $2 and $5, but I have a lot here, so we'll see at checkout how much they are.
Tomatoes are not too bad now. They are around $5–6 for the little punnet of baby tomatoes.
And in winter, how much was it?
$9 per kg for normal sized tomatoes, but in winter it goes up to like $15 per kg and like $10 for these things. So.
We didn't eat tomatoes in winter, or we would buy like one.
You happy with this?
It's a Saturday, and of course we're gonna braai later, so some onions to clean the braai.
Onions are cheap.
Cheap. Another recipe I saw is a zucchini pasta. We haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna get a few. I don't know how many we need. I think it's 2 zucchinis for one person. That's the recipe. They are $14 a kg. So fruit and veg is weighed at the checkout. In South Africa you weigh it at, somebody weighs it for you at the fruit and veg section. Okay, so here is a scale.
And it automatically picked up the item.
You didn't even have to select for Jade.
$10.
It's around $5 for 2 zucchinis. I'm gonna use a zucchini, and Craig is gonna use actual pasta, because Craig is just always running and carbo loading. So broccoli crunch salad is basically my lunch with either some bacon or tuna. It's really good. It lasts me for like 3 meals, so that's going in the bag, in the trolley I mean. On Monday nights we do lamb chops and Israeli couscous salad. We have since replaced the Israeli couscous with broccoli. Which
has actually been pretty good.
Yeah, it's been good. But the secret ingredient is this feta.
Greek style in oil with garlic and herbs.
It is so good. How much?
Put that $5.60. Not cheap, but it's a great addition to the meal.
Honestly, it's so good. We've grabbed some of this salmon once or twice and just fried it with some lemon butter, and it's so good. I think it's my new favorite thing. I always loved salmon in sushi, but we've never bought the salmon to pan fry. We're not going to get that today. We normally buy it fresh, like on the day. Skip, skip, skip. Carbs, carbs, carbs. Sugar, sugar, sugar. There's a whole thing currently in New Zealand about the price of butter. People are saying it's like $13 or up to $13 for a block. Today we're getting it for $8.50. Let us know what the price of a block of butter is in your country.
Woolworths branded butter. Started to me, so.
It lasts a while, so I'd get this full cream natural yogurt with strawberries and almonds. That is basically my breakfast.
Cheese. $13.29. We eat a lot of cheese. That's a big block.
How heavy?
1 kg. A little treat for myself. Mild salami sticks. Ready to eat. $5, but they're really good.
And maybe one of these?
Yep. Italian salami. It's not bad. We've still got a bit of ham at home, so.
Nice for work lunches for Craig. In this Woolworths, there's a whole health section. It's actually really, really good. We have found these low carb wraps. 1.4 grams of carbs per wrap. I think with Banting, when you're just starting, you can have up to 25 grams of carbs a day.
Sourdough bagels. $5.40. But it's good breakfast. I even take them to work now with a bit of cheese and put them in the toaster. It's nice.
Yum. We found this low carb pasta the other day.
Not my favorite.
I don't know how to explain it. Almost like the consistency of when you bite into a mushroom, I'd say. But it's a good alternative, because the last time when I was Banting, I really missed pasta.
Getting some almonds for Chantal, and they have a whole range of different nuts. You can either fool yourself or you can buy the pre-packed bags. Pretty nice. $8.501. Gotcha. 8.501. So I know what to do when I get to the till, because I'm going to have to bring this up.
Another thing I found the other day are these low carb, gluten-free nuts kind of crackers, nuts and seeds. They are really good. Just like 2 of them with a bit of cream cheese and avo really fill me up. So I'm going to grab one of them. They are $6.
Even though I live in New Zealand now, I still buy South African wine. It's quite funny because one of my favorite wines in South Africa was a Nederburg Baron, and at Woolworths in New Zealand they sell the Nederburg Baron. And something about New Zealand is New Zealand wines are not corked. So if you buy South African wine, make sure you have a corkscrew because it's not common. $13.40. It's always on special, the Nederburg wine.
If you're a member.
If you're a member price. We get a 6-pack of hazy IPAs from Boundary Brewing Company, I think it is. Yeah, Boundary Road Brewing Company. On special, $15 for 6. Pretty good for craft beer.
Show me how much is chicken.
Chicken is cheap. All those drumsticks for $9.90, $8 per kg.
I should have checked if we had chicken at home. I can't remember. I bought a big pack the last time, but I mean, let's just get.
What do you want to brought?
Maybe some chicken and something. Okay, which pack are you getting? $10 for...
$10.64.
While we're at the meat, let's just show you the prices of the meat.
Lamb chops.
Show?
It is $23 a kg. It's not bad. Lamb is cheap in this country.
We have it once a week, like basically every Monday.
Yeah.
Then we have pork chops. Shoulder chops are $16.99 and loin chops are $19.99. Let's find some steaks. Rump steak is $34.90 a kg, and mince is $12.90 for 500 grams and $19.90 for 750 grams.
Traditional South African style boerewors.
How much?
$12.
Cool.
450 grams.
Escort porkies was like always on the braai in South Africa.
So I have to now change to either Helios or this genuine pork. Oh, they're both Helios. The London Pride ones, which I usually get, but I'm gonna try the genuine pork one.
They are $11 more or less.
Yeah.
It took us a while to find porkies that we like.
I'm gonna get the London Pride. The ones that we like, traditional made bangers. You're getting cooked and peeled shrimp. It's pre-cooked, so it's easy. You just throw it in whatever you want. It's $19.90.
Yes, I found another recipe.
800 grams.
It's going with the zucchini pasta.
Nice.
Oh yeah, no sugar. We also have all kinds of milk. Almond, coconuts, rice milk, soy milk, oat milk. Whatever milk you want. Coffee.
Hummingbird is good.
What's on special?
Hummingbird. You can get Jed's. I don't want Jed's. Robert Harris is not on special.
I'm pretty sure in our other shopping videos we showed you coffee that's $5.50. That was like a long time ago.
Yep.
This Robert Harris is now almost $10.
Yep. On special you can get it for like 7 or 8.
Yeah, so sometimes it does go on special, then we get it.
A good breakfast if I need to go to work early is breakfast bars. Probably get a salted caramel protein bar. It's probably not good for you, but fills the gap.
It's good for you.
Tea?
Because it's carbo loading.
You want more tea?
If you've been around this channel for a while, you'll know I don't like tea. But recently, I've tried, or after China, I've tried the fruit teas, and they don't have that tea aftertaste. And I actually really like this one. Do I still have?
You got a few, but get another one.
So they have a lot of teas here.
Yeah, good flavors.
Craig and his sauces. Every time we go to a market, Craig walks away with at least 2 or 3 bottles of sauce. What did you find now?
But I have found my favorite sauce in New Zealand. It's Anderson's mango habanero hot sauce. You just put a few drops on your food and it's so good.
Nando's. Not even on the international section.
Yeah, that's true.
Get the Dijon if you want.
Get the Dijon. Woolies Dijon. Yeah. $4.30 for Dijon Woolies branded mustard.
We go through eggs very quickly. We're going for 10
Christmas trees.
Woodlands, $7.70 for 10.
We get some tomato onion. 2 cans of diced tomatoes for curries. They are $1.36 each.
How much carbs is in there?
3.4 grams per 100 grams.
Ah, perfect.
Not too bad. Tuna and oil, $1.35 each. Get 4 cans. Makes good lunches.
Almond flour is the way that I can make low carb, like muffins or like mug breads. It is $10 though. Pretty expensive to eat healthy.
Some Woolies have a little South African section, which I've taken a sign off. How rude. But we can get our tangy mayo here, which is not the cheapest, $11.70, but we really like it. Spur, salad, French fry sauce, everyone loves that. Cream soda, $3 a can. Oma rusks.
And all gold.
Can you try all gold tomato sauce and even tennis biscuits hiding over there? This is the milk we usually get, just Woolies branded 2 litres. It's $4.58. We're not getting it today because we've got milk at home.
We are getting cream here.
Cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we are looking for
Onion
powder and garlic powder.
$2.70.
$2.70 for onion. Are we missing something? Where's the garlic powder? There's granules. Ginger.
Oh, ginger ground. I was it garlic?
Vietnamese stir fry is my favorite side on a braai actually. There are some veggies in here that's on the orange list, but it's not that much that's going to make such a big difference. So we're going to have that on our bra today. It is $4.50. Lemon juice does not last very long.
No.
With us.
So we'll get a big one.
It's $4.80 and we can never find the lemon juice. We're always walking through the aisles.
Yeah, it's weird. We'll get a big one.
Cream cheese. Another recipe I saw is a avocado pizza base, and you need ricotta cheese. We found some, but there's no price. There's no other brand. This is the only one. I'm gonna go with it.
Let's try it out.
If it's more than $7, I'm putting it back. When is it too early for Christmas?
No.
It's middle October.
Get away from the chocolates.
Okay, now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna see how much we're gonna pay for this trolley.
A lot.
How much do you think? I'm saying 30.
Huh?
$30.
Oh, I'm saying like 80.
Okay. Where's your corner? The ricotta was only $5.35. I thought it was going to be $7, so it's going through.
Please place item.
So we actually joined Vitality about a year ago. When you reach a weekly target, you get a reward and you can choose between vouchers, between Woolworths, there's a cinema, I think, Airpoints, stuff like that. We always go with Woolworths. Craig hasn't spent any of his vouchers yet. That is how we're getting this massive discount today. It is a mission to use these vouchers because they come in $5 vouchers and you've got to scan each one. That's our last item, and now we're going to start scanning. The total of the entire trolley came to $280, and we'll see how much we have to pay in after using all of our Vitality vouchers. One down, over 20 to go. I wish they would all load on the same card, but we're not complaining, we're getting discount. I'm gonna be way wrong because I thought Craig had a lot more vouchers because he hasn't used any of his for a whole year, and he reaches goals like every week.
Yeah, not the past few months. So.
We also bought a few things that we normally wouldn't have because we had the vouchers. I just checked the timestamp on the video I took when we just got to the till. That was 15 minutes ago.
You still remember how to do this?
You'll never forget now.
Nope.
We got the total down from $280 to $115. I have two $5 vouchers on my phone, so we're gonna just apply them as well, which is gonna bring our total to $105. We got this whole trolley at a third of the cost for going to gym, basically. Yay!
All the vouchers.
Finally done, 25 minutes later. We even have some live music in the car park. What a vibe. So yeah, if you join Vitality, you get a lot of rewards for reaching your fitness goals every week. For us, we choose the Woolworths vouchers. But you can also get air points. It's really loud. So here's the total, 280. We ended up paying in $105.41. So if you like this video, please let us know in the comments, and if you want to see any other shops,
Let us know.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you in the next one. Bye. Maybe if I stand still.
Good.
No way.
Homo rusks.
Omar. No,
Sorry.
Omar is washing powder.
Yeah, sorry. Homo
And here's our longest receipt ever.
Sure.